Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Temilaya and Mom's channel. You are very welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you so much for always watching, liking and commenting on our videos. So in today's recipe, I'm sharing with you this simple snack. Like, this is so simple, everything in your kitchen, but it tastes so good. Okay, so yeah, I have milk flavor, I have salt, I have nutmeg, you can use cinnamon if that's what you have, and sugar, and that's basically everything, and a pinch of salt as well, baking powder, and yeah, that's everything that you need. Okay, so you just want to mix this in. There's no egg, there's no margarine. Yeah, you just want to mix this in. But what I did, I added a bit of vegetable oil, just a tablespoon. Yeah, a tablespoon is fine for this measurement. I will be leaving all of the measurements, recipe, everything in the description box, so do well to check it out. Okay, so you just want to mix all of this, rub in the vegetable oil or soya oil, whatever oil you are using. You just want to rub it in gently and then add water bit by bit. You will get to see the consistency I'm going for. I started by adding half a cup of water, and then I added like a quarter cup as well, and that makes it perfect. It gave me the perfect dough that I wanted. So I'm just going to go on and mix all of this. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, please do well to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and comment on this video if you end up liking it. Okay, thank you so much to all of our old subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to say hello and to watch our videos. We really do appreciate that. So this is a snack that I'm going to show you two methods or two ways of cutting it. Okay, the first method is the same as the second, but the texture it came out, it's different. Okay, the first method I'll be showing you is like a snacky kind of method. It's so crunchy, it's hard, and yeah, it's crunchy, so you can just snack on it anytime, while the second method is the one that you can use for tea time. It's quite like a bready texture, and yeah, it's very filling, and you are going to love this. This tastes good, it tastes very minimal, there's not too much going on in there. Okay, just like you would love to eat your bread, or you don't want too much of flavors going in. You get what I mean, right? So you just want to mix this. You need a very needed soft dough. Okay, you need a soft dough, like a dough that is well kneaded, just like you will need your bread. If you have a food processor, go ahead and use it. I always forget to use my processor whenever I want to knead, so go ahead and use yours. It will come out perfectly well. So I'm going to knead this, and yeah, I'll be back to tell you the rest of the procedures. Okay. So guys, like I mentioned earlier, I will be making this in two methods, and this is the first one. Like I said, the first one is a very crunchy kind, and yeah, you want to flatten your dough very well. You want to roll it to be very flat, like very thin. Okay, just somehow like you want to make chinchin flake, if you get what I mean. So if you haven't seen my chinchin flake recipe video, go ahead and check it in on my channel. You can check my playlist of Chinchin business and you find it there. So you just want to make sure it's flat, and you want to roll like so. To seal it up, just go ahead and dip your fingers in water, and that would seal it up perfectly. Okay, so you want to roll it, and yeah, that's basically it. But to get the flat kind of texture that I'm talking about, you might want to run your kneading pin on top of it, then you start slicing. You can slice this as thin or as fat as you want. Yeah, I'm just going to show you how I did mine, and if you do it this way, you're still going to get the same result. Then once we are done with this, I'll show you the second method and how to achieve it. So once you are done slicing, you want to go ahead and dip this in your hot oil. Okay, you want to preheat your oil, make sure it's very hot, and you want to put this doesn't take time at all, so you just want to spread it. Don't overcrowd your oil, please. As you can see, I didn't put much. I'm meant to put all of them, but I didn't put much because when you overcrowd your oil, it tends to soak. Okay, to soak in the oil, and it won't be very, very crunchy. So go ahead and make sure there's a lot of space for it to spread out, so it comes out crunchy. If you notice, I kept on stirring it. This is because you want it to cook evenly. You don't want some side to be brown while other sides are still uncooked. So make sure you are there, you are stirring it continuously, just so the oil gets round and everything is the same. So on to the second one. For this one, yeah, the difference is you are not going to flatten it like very flat. You're not going to do that. And also, once you get your dough all over your table, like when you spread it out, you are going to add like a handful of flour. Okay, you're going to add flour. This is because you want it to, like after frying, you want it to show like it's folded. Okay, the first one is just like a design, but it's not really showing that, oh, it's folded. Only if you look at it or you understand what's going on there, that's when you know. But this one, you are going to like flatten it a bit, not too much. It's still going to be thick, and then you are going to add flour to it and roll. Okay, so this way it's going to come out like softer than the other one, not crunchy. It can be crunchy on the outside, but the inside is still going to be very, very soft and bread like. Okay, so this is the one you can use for your tea time. The taste is very perfect. It's not very sugary, it's not very flavorful, so you can have it with your tea and you enjoy a very balanced taste. Okay, so let me know the one that you like, the crunchy one or the bready kind. Like this one you can use for your tea time. So let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to hear from you guys. I usually just make stuff like this mostly when school is about to resume. This is like a handy snack. These days the kind of snack they sell out there is very scary. There are a lot of stuff going on in there. So is either I'm making plantain chips, potato chips, chinchin, or I just spread my wings and make different stuff like this for kids around me or my own kid. Okay, so yeah, you can try this out. If you are a working class person, you can have this in your bag for tea time. You can have this for breakfast. You can have the snack for snack time. It's very nice. You need to try this. You can just spend one day, make a lot of this. I will show you how I package it and store, okay, and it's very helpful. So stay to the end so you can see that as well. So as you can see, I'm not folding very tiny. I'm actually folding it a bit bigger, and you can see the dough is thicker, and the flour I spread around it is going to make it come out like showing that, oh yes, I folded this dough. So that's what we are aiming to achieve. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, guys. So guys, we are done frying, and it's time to show you the difference between these two methods. Yeah, this is same dough, but just two different methods to enjoy it. This is the very crunchy one. You can see I was even forcing to break it. It's very crunchy, it's tasty, and it's nice for snack time, okay? While this one is soft, is bready, and yeah, tea time is perfect. You can use any juice of your choice. This goes well. You can see how soft it is. This is Temilayo's favorite, by the way. It's not hard, it's soft and delicious. So like I said earlier, let me know in the comment section which of this method you do prefer. If you want both, let me know why, okay? Yeah, let's communicate in the comment section. That's basically what the comment section is there for. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are going to be trying this. So you can see the obvious, like it's obvious I added flour to roll one, and while the other one wasn't like with flour, you can see the lines are showing in the other one. So this is me just explaining to you what the difference between both, even if they taste the same, but the texture is definitely different. I made this other snack. I don't know which of these videos will be going up next, but yeah, this is how I packaged them. For the big ones, I did 4 to 5. The small ones, I did 10 pieces, and yeah, I just packaged the way I want it. So I'm just going to store this in a bag, and yeah, it's just snack time. I give this out sometimes. I take it myself. So you can see what I mean when I tell you to make this for your kids and yeah, for yourself. As per always, thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. I will see you in my next video. Bye.